Good afternoon, folks. How are you doing today? So one of the things I want to do is we wrap up 2020, we kick it in the butt, we kick it to the curb, and we get ready for 2021 is I'm really want to elevate. I want to make people positive. I want you to be excited by the real estate opportunities that are coming. I do believe inventory is coming. And if inventory is coming in March and April, you, me, we need to be working now to learn our market. We need to figure out what's going on. I would hope and really hoping to see a lot more students join between now and April, because if we do that, we can all learn together. We can all move forward and really take advantage of 2021 in the inventory upside that I see coming. To that end, I wanted to share a goal with you. I think one of the things I've done over the last couple of years in telling our story of one rental at a time is sometimes our story gets lost. You know, it's exciting, people pat you on the back, but it's not a goal for everyone. It's like a bridge too far. It's too far away. It's nice to hear, but you can't do it. And that's a failure. So I want to talk about 4 rental properties, only 4. I want that to be your goal. I want to help you get 4 rental properties. So I created a quick presentation about why. Let me just share that with you here. So again, we're going to talk about getting you to 4 rental properties, and I want to tell you why. First, there's a couple of reasons. It's the easiest to finance. I'm getting phone calls from real estate investors who are getting interest rates of 3 and an eighth. It's amazing. You should be getting your first 4 rental properties fast if you really can get 3 and an eighth, 3.5, even sub 4%. It's going to be the cheapest money you can get. Be ready to put 25% down so you get the best rates. It's easy to unwind. One of the things that we need to realize is lots of people get excited about rental properties, right? Single family homes, but it's not for everyone, especially if you're going out of state. If you try it and you don't like it, the easiest thing to do is sell a house. It's hard to sell an apartment. It's easy to sell a house. They're easiest to manage. They have the lowest turnover. It's, usually a family. They don't want to move. It's not like single studios or 1-bedroom apartments where people come and go all the time. And most importantly, single family homes are easy to learn. They're publicly available, on the site. You don't need to be a broker and have a special secret handshake like you do for multifamily. So let's talk about getting you 4 rental properties. It could be 1 a year, could be 2 a year, but it's definitely something I want to help you with. And again, I have a course linked below, how to get started 1 rental at a time. It's ridiculously cheap. I am learning as I'm seeing lots of other gurus out there offering it up for $1,000 or $997. Woo! I'm going to keep it where it's at. I'm having a good time. And if you do buy it, make sure you get added to the group. The group is called 1 Rental at a Time Works. And that's on Facebook if I didn't say it. So here's the deal. After we get to 4, we can either stop. Hey, we're done. I'm set. We're going to run these for a while. We're going to pay them off. I'm good. Or you can decide, you know what, 4 is good. I want to go to 10. Those are discussions you and I can have, but let's only go to 4 in the beginning. 4 residential means something between a 4-plex and a house. I'm referring to residential loans. If you had 5 units, that's commercial, so no good. 4 4-plexes, great. 4 single-family homes, great. 2 houses, 2 duplexes, great. Whatever it is. 4 residential loans. So you either have somewhere between 4 units, and the most you'll have is 16. 4 times 4. Step 1. This is a huge part of the course. This is something I'm starting to internalize is different about my course. My course is not complex. It doesn't confuse you with vocabulary. It says stop, 10 to 20 minutes a day, daily focused execution. Let me watch it. I just did a video yesterday or the day before with a Southern California investor who already has rentals. I think he has 6 units. And he's like, hey, I bought your course looking to learn something. And one of the things that he loved about it is this focus and daily activity, him watching his list expand. so we can go back and forth and compare deals. I agree. But again, it's not 4 hours on Saturday. It's 10 to 20 minutes a day. Stop creating confusion and start building confidence in yourself with focus and consistent effort. Again, I'm sharing one rental at a time. I'm learning, I'm understanding what you are receiving from me. And one of the things that is pretty obvious is I can help build confidence. Confidence is built with repetition. Think about anything you've done in life. The more you do it, the better you get at it. Whether it's sports, arts and crafts, your job, whatever it is. And what I give you right out of the gate, step one, is a way to start learning your market and get better at it every day. Consistent effort and focus, big part of one rental at a time. Here's the deal. I only want you to write offers on good or great deals. In today's market, that might mean writing deals under asking. That's okay. Get used to it. Get used to the rhythm. Write the deals that make sense. You probably won't get any. I've done 250 offers this year and got none. Yes, 250 good or great deals and got zero. That's not normal. 2020 is weird. I've gotten 10 to 12 deals a year for a long time. Yeah, maybe 8 to 10 deals a year. 2020 is weird. I got 6 deals, I think, 5 deals, 6 deals, all off market from my network. But for you, it is about writing good or great deals so you get ready for April and May next year. Stay in your lane. Don't get distracted. Don't start this journey with me one rental at a time, focused, consistent execution, and then get distracted. Oh, I'm going to start wholesaling. Oh, I'm going to start mobile home parks. Oh, I'm going to start bigger is better. Stay in your lane. The goal is 4. I believe the only number that matters to me is how hard my money is working. How hard is your money working? When you are taking the course, you will see I give you my spreadsheet, the actual spreadsheet I use to compare houses and apartments. And very end of the column is something called yield. I simply want to know how hard my cash is working. It drives some people crazy that I will buy a small house over an apartment. Why do you do that? You have one tenant, one roof, instead of 20 tenants in one roof. Well, my money's working harder, and that's the only thing that matters to me. Here's the deal. I can't, and more importantly, won't do the work for you, but I've given you the path. I now have over 1,000 students on the path, so it's fun. I just got an email again today from somebody who got a duplex. Yay! So I know it works. But I'm not going anywhere. If you buy my course, it's going to help you. But if you buy my course, please join the Facebook group. I look at it every day, but most importantly, I mentor you on Saturdays at 9 a.m. I give up about a half hour of my day every Saturday for my students. No extra cost. It's included. And these are all recorded. So if you join now, you can go back and look at nearly 6 months of material. I think that's pretty cool. I think there's a lot of value there, but I'm not going to charge you for it because I want to see you be successful. And yes, get to 4 rental properties. Here's the deal with 4 in 15 to 20 years, you're going to be able to do what you want. You can sell 1, pay off 3. You can refi 2, pay off 2. You're going to have lots of financial options. You could sell all 4 and put a big check in the bank. You're going to pay taxes though. Don't pretend. But you're going to have options, and your tenants are going to help you pay off your houses. It's pretty amazing. When you sign up for the course, please also sign up for my private Facebook group. If you're going to spend $200 and you have Facebook, I know some of you don't. I didn't for a long time. But if you're on Facebook and you've spent $200, please ask to join the Facebook group. It is called One Rental at a Time Works. That private group is only for paying students. It's not a requirement. Plenty of students have bought the course and did not join. But again, if you do join, You can post questions. You can post your deals. We can all celebrate your success. I've had people tell me that that Facebook group alone is worth $200, and that's a great thing to hear, because again, it's students helping students at this point. But in the end, I also give you a half hour of my time every Saturday, and I think that is worth something. So post your questions, join the Saturday mentoring. If you can't because Saturday you're at work or whatever, no big deal. They're all recorded. You can go back and look at them whenever you are ready. So here's the deal. The course right there, you can see the picture of it. I call it Escape the Rat Race. How do you start one rental at a time? 5 steps to success, buy and hold. It's focus. It's only 10 to 20 minutes a day. You need to answer what is a bad, average, good, or great deal. And I can help you, but you need to do the work. All right. So that's what I have for you. Again, let's talk about 4. 2021 is going to be an amazing year for you, but you got to do the work. If you're ready to do the work, buy the course, join the Facebook group. Let's do it together. All right, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Take care.